If you've been relying on Viagra for better performance, stop right there. Because there's a new contender making waves, Eroxon Gel. And some experts claim it could work even faster than Viagra itself. But is it really that powerful? Or just another overhyped product? Stay with me till the end because what I discovered will shock you. So, what's all the buzz about Eroxon? Eroxon Gel just landed in the US and instantly grabbed headlines. Here's the deal. Instead of popping a pill like with Viagra, you just apply Eroxon directly where it counts. And get this, it starts working in just 10 minutes. That's way faster than Viagra, which usually takes anywhere from 30 minutes to a whole hour. But honestly, speed is just the beginning. People are talking about Eroxon because it's not only quick, it's also topical and drug-free. No waiting around, no need for a prescription in a lot of places, and no major side effects reported, at least compared to old-school ED pills. Some urologists are even calling it a total game-changer for guys who just can't handle the side effects of traditional medication. Okay, but how does it actually work? Eroxon's got this special gel-based formula that boosts blood flow right where you need it. Think of it sort of like a local booster, rather than something that affects your whole body. The upshot, you get targeted results with less risk of headaches, flushing, or weird side effects. If you're in a country where it's available over the counter, you don't even need a prescription. Now let's talk real results. And a few hidden truths. In user trials, more than 70% of men said they experienced faster arousal and better performance with Eroxon. Pretty impressive, right? But here's what you need to know. If your ED is caused by serious issues like low testosterone or nerve damage, Eroxon probably isn't going to be a miracle cure. But for mild to moderate cases, early studies show Eroxon can beat Viagra when it comes to speed and satisfaction. So, does Eroxon Gel really beat Viagra? For fast results and fewer side effects, I've got to say, it's looking very promising. But to get the best performance, you've got to know how to use it and whether it's the right fit for you. I'm dropping a full, detailed comparison video next, Eroxon versus Viagra, the ultimate test, so make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Eroxon versus Viagra. Full test coming soon.